Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired and we are at the launch of Canon M50. So Canon M50 is a lightweight, travel-friendly camera, and along with that it is quite affordable. So now you don't have to carry your heavy DSLRs on a travel date. So this is the new M50 here. In this video we'll just see a quick look of Canon M50.
Okay, so the new M50, it has a beautiful vari-angle LCD. So whether you want to take a high shot, low shot or high shot, you can go ahead and take it. Then it has a new feature which is called as Camera Creative Assist, wherein you can go ahead and set the presets before you click the pictures, like vivid, soft, warm, cool. Similarly, you have other features like you want a blurred background, you want a sharp background, you want a blurred background. Then you have exposure compensation, you want a darker image, you want a bright image. Just so easy interface, so many features to select with, and the best part is that these presets can be selected on auto mode as well. So if you look at the mode dial, it's as good as the DSLR mode dial, with features like automatic, scene modes, manual, AV, TV, program mode, right? Then this camera features a 4K movie, so you put the camera on the 4K and then you can select. So it has a 4K movie recording, it has a full HD recording, you can record in 50p, you can record in 25p, you can record in HD, you can record in 4K. This camera comes with a Wi-Fi function. Not only Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and do Wi-Fi, NFC, and it can also be connected through Bluetooth. It has a touch screen, so you can go ahead and touch and the focus is achieved. Because it has a dual pixel CMOS sensor, you see the touch is very fast and it's like touch and drag. A seamless focus shifting is possible because of the dual pixel CMOS sensor. You see it has electronic viewfinder, so people who want to go ahead and do the clicking as DSLR users, you will see it gives you that option of doing that with a viewfinder. So the display people who use DSLR would see is exactly like a DSLR user. All these functions are exactly the same way a quick function will appear for a DSLR, and then you can go ahead and click the picture through a viewfinder. So let's see the external features. So we have your HDMI, right, with the Bluetooth. You have your mic port available. Because the camera is Wi-Fi and NFC and Bluetooth, you have the NFC connection here. The NFC, right, and then you see the mode dial. This function is to set the mode dial. You have the record button, you have the manual focus, autofocus or manual focus. You have a universal horseshoe where you can go ahead and load the flashes or the transmitters. So it's an universal horseshoe. You can go ahead and put any kind of flash on this and use it. And then on the front side, if you'll see, the buttons are right hand buttons. There's a strong grip, right? All the buttons on the right hand side. The shutter button is located right on your index finger, and then with one thumb and with one finger you can go ahead and do all these settings. Just switch it on and start doing all settings. If you look into the menu is graphic, very easy to understand. You just have to go ahead and move, either you move these keys or it is a touch screen, so you just touch and then wherever you want to go, whatever, right? So you'll see the shooting settings, all these settings which you need to do, it's there. And the best part is that all is touch. Playback information, rating, raw images processing. So this is the menu screen. You can see various options available: white balance, picture style, exposure, touch shutter, disable, enable, touch and drag, autofocus, AF operation, AF method. You can select eye detection. That's a feature which has come for the first time in the M series. So if you enable it, then eye detection autofocus is enabled. Then you go to lens electronic manual focus, this manual focus peaking system. Then you go to movie recording, sound recording. Similarly, in the playback, you can go to erase images. You can go ahead and put creative filters. Then you can use creative assist, cropping, resizing. So in camera, you can go ahead and do this post editing of cropping and resizing also. Then comes your functions. So Wi-Fi connection, GPS setting. Go ahead and do that. Language change, touch control, display settings, custom functions, and then you want to go ahead and change the display from standard to that you can do. So if you see the say change, put back to graphics, it will change.
So this was the first look of the new Canon M50. It will be available for 61,995. It will be soon available on the authorized Canon stores. This was it for this video. If you like this video, please share and comment and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.